The third most common flaw you'll see on the LSAT is when the argument arbitrarily picks one possibility, ignoring other equally likely or more likely possibilities. This flaw comes in several variations. The first is when the argument ignores an alternative solution. This flawed argument arbitrarily picks one solution to a problem, ignoring other solutions that would work as well or better. For example, every time I punch myself in the face, I get a black eye. Therefore, I need to buy an anti-bruising cream to prevent this from happening. Obviously, I'm ignoring a much simpler and more effective solution here, stopping punching myself in the face. Another variation is when the argument ignores an alternative explanation. The argument arbitrarily picks up one explanation for a phenomenon, ignoring other equally convincing or more convincing explanations. For example, every time I feed Baja Blast Mountain Dew to my goldfish, they get sick. They must not like that flavor of Mountain Dew. This argument is ignoring an obvious explanation for why my goldfish get sick when I feed them Baja Blast Mountain Dew. Soda makes fish sick. I doubt my fish would feel any better if I gave them another flavor of Mountain Dew. The last variation you'll see of this common flaw is the false dichotomy. This flawed argument assumes that there are only two possible courses of action in a situation, ignoring one or more obvious other possibilities. For example, there's no way I'll get a job as a CEO. I guess my only other option is to be unemployed. This argument is ignoring the fact that there are literally thousands of other career options for me than just CEO, and is instead artificially limiting me to just two options, CEO and unemployed. These also present a really easy framework in which you can play with assumptions. If you want to weaken an argument, simply propose the more plausible alternative explanation. For example, for the Mountain Dew example above, you could say, fish get sick from drinking soda, which would make that argument weaker. Or you could rule out that explanation to strengthen it. Fish have no problem drinking regular flavored Mountain Dew. Anytime you spot this flaw on any assumption question, your mind should drift straight to thinking of alternate possibilities to the one proposed by the conclusion, and you'll have another easy shortcut on many questions. As you can see, the common flaws will come up most often with flaw and parallel flaw, but becoming a master of them will help you quickly and easily answer every single kind of assumption question type. That's the beauty of commandment number 5. The LSAT is not very creative, and the diligent student can reap those benefits.